Hi, I am Jagan from Raj Noho Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you the continuation video of part 1, the different type of flowers. Come, let's see in detail. If you have missed the part 1 video, I have put in this I button above, or you can check the below description also the links. Come, let's see in detail. So these are all the peony flowers. This one is a peony. So they have the feathers. Let me show you one flower. So this is how they look. Very beautiful with all the petals inside. So these are also coming in many different colors. That is in yellow color and sandal color, and also this pink color. So that is baby pink. Very beautiful. And also maroon, not red, maroon, and peach color. You see here, one flower is about 7 to 8 rupees it comes. So these are all the colors we have. So you can just take a screenshot of these colors and just send it to me in WhatsApp if you want. And these are all the peony coming in pollens. That one is previous one is without pollen, and these are all the peony coming with pollen peony. So you can see here, these are all the individual shapes and sizes also. And the special thing is, this one is a velvet finish, that one is a plastic one, this one is a velvet finish with all the pollens in it. We are also selling this pollens. I will show you later in this video. So this one is 230 rupees per pack. So each and every pack is about 12 in a dozen. So we have all the colors. Most of the colors is available in this Poland peony. So this one is a gold color also, or I would tell the chocolate color. So these peony are used widely in arati plates and also in doll decorations, etc. So you can use all these types of flowers, especially these roses and also peony in combination, and bring a good combo. And these are the roses with beads that is on the stalk. You can see here, those are the beads here, and they are coming in different colors also here. So these are also very beautiful, and each and every flower is like forget me not, like that one. It is also a plant name. You can see here how these golden beads are, or the fillers are looking and attracting these flowers. So such a wonderful piece of collection of flowers we sell. And also you can also get these flowers easily by coming to my store and getting it, and also making your work also very superb and unique. So these flowers don't fade away easily, as they and are quite costly. These are about 450 rupees per pack, 72 piece it has. So and also each and every flower we show you is about artificial one. So you can see here it has a beads in it. So this is how it looks and comes in a packet form also. Blood red is this color. Blood red is this color, and this one is a lily like flower, lily. And this flower is a forget me not flower. So it has all the stalks in it, you can see here. So each and every thing is in a dozen form. So it is also coming in various colors also. And this one is a silver. You can see here how they look. Very attractive colors. for all your, this one is a gold color and silver color, where the gold and silver, it goes very nicely in flowers for decoration purpose. So forget me not, while seeing itself I don't forget. And this one is a multicolor packing is also available, and this one is a purple color or white color I would say, and this is a baby pink, and finally red. So forget me not also this channel also, don't forget this channel, and don't forget to subscribe also. And these are the gerbera, you can see here, very lovely flowers, such a wonderful lovely flowers. This one gerbera, so they have in brown and yellow color combinations. So 50 pieces is about 200 rupees, like that it comes. So and also without that also it comes in a multicolor packing only. So this is all the gerbera flowers, where you can use this for real portraits like that. And these are the velvet roses, you can see here, this one is a velvet cloth and coming as a rose. So these are all the velvet roses in gold form, gold color. So each piece is about 20 to 25 rupees, like that. So you can use this as a hair clips and also for decoration purposes. And this one is also very awesome for making aarati plates and also for stage decorations. So all these are pearl beads, and that is pearl flowers. This one is a pearl flower, and it comes like this also. One piece is about 60 rupees, like that. It comes in a piece form. So where they are used as fillers to fill your aarati plates, etc. Now these are the glitter flowers, where they give a glittery gold finish. All these you see, even they even stick on my fingers. So these are coming in many different sizes and shapes. So these are all the glitter flowers that you use in your day-to-day functions, etc. So all these are beautiful finishing, and also they are quite shimmery when you are using in a wedding decoration party, all other things. I would say these are the party flowers, party gold flowers I would say, because for your camera, for all the camera and party decorations, it will be very attractive and gives a very homely finish. So these are all the fillers, and this one is a packet of 85 rupees only. So these are all the designs we have in these glitter flowers at present, but you can just WhatsApp and get it. So apart from flowers, these are all the leaves. So you can see here there are many type of glitter leaves and also peacock shaped leaves. So you can see here these are all the leaves that we do to make it clear for you. So these are all the leaves. You can do it and bring your creativity a lot. Such a wonderful leaves you can get. So now I am going to show you some of the local flowers that they use while doing jasmine flowers, all other things in South India. This flower in garland also they use this flower a lot. So this one also is coming. All these are some of the local flowers, just 45 rupees per pack, 100 like that it comes, 50 to 100 pieces it comes in one single pack. So these are all the red color, like this it comes in red color also, and also in green color where it looks like leaves also. When these two are mixed, these are used in garland, and I name it as garland flowers also. So mainly in garland they use these flowers a lot. So these flowers, these are chapati flowers, in golden color, and this is also used in garland a lot, and also in jasmine decorations like that. Last but not least, these are the sola wood flowers. That is, these flowers are made of sola wood, full and full sola wood only. All these flowers. So these comes in 3 different sizes and shapes for us. So you can see here. So all these are sola wood flowers and each and every flower is white in color, and this one is sola wood jasmine with the starch. The stalk is white in color here, and we have this also. This is also very fast moving item, 180 rupees per pack it has. And this one is a sola wood jasmine flower, and this is in a budded form, and this one in a long budded form is also available. So this is used in many of your hair decorations, etc., like that. And these are the garland flowers, where we use for making garland and also for making torrents, temporary torrents like that. And they comes as a 250 gram pack, 220 rupees. So you can just put your string and beads like that and bring out the garland in it. And these are the pollens. You can see here in this pack there are pollens, there are many pollens now. So those pollens are coming separately here, and these are all the pollens that we sell individually. Each pack is about 160 to 180 rupees it comes. According to my suppliers, it differs. So you can see here, these are all the different type of pollens available. So all the colors, especially gold, is a very fast moving color in this pollen, and I am showing these colors also. Gold is a prominent color. So these are all the different colors we have in this pollens. So this also gives a green look for your flowers, this color, and sky blue, and this one is a purple. So these are all the colors that we sell, and you can just WhatsApp us and get these type of pollens. And we have these type of pollens is also available. One piece is 5 rupees, or one packet is about 250 to 300 rupees like that. And these are also available in many different colors like this. So let me show you clearly. So like this we have. So each and every color, and these are all imported pollens. These are used in quilling paperwork and also minute pollens, I would say. So these comes in very attractive colors also. These are all the flowers that we sell as of now, but we bring more and more collections of flowers and upload in our website and Facebook. You can just WhatsApp us and get all these in a screenshot form, or you can just come to my shop or get it in my 2 websites. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe our channel.